Explanation. In very old times, man lived a nomadic life. He was hunting animals for food, fruit, roots, and bugs for food. Later on, he learned to grow crops. He found suitable land and water to settle down. Then he built the house for safety, began to help each other in farming, lived close by. Thus, settlements were formed. Many settlements merged together to form villages. Thus, the farming changed the life of a man. He settled at one place. After this, he had to do different kinds of work. So work was divided between the people. Example, making farming instruments, repairing them, weaving clothes, making jewelry, making clay pots, etc. Now the village gets known by the historical buildings, monuments, etc. A village has many buildings such as temples, caves, mosques, churches, memorials, etc. A village becomes famous because of a religious place, fair, weekly market, fort, etc. The roads, squares get named after the famous person. The village named Khed in Pune district has renamed as Rajgurunagar. The birthplace of great revolutionary in India's struggle for freedom. Raigad district is known for the Raigad Fort. 18th April is World Heritage Day. There are different types of markets, example food, flower, fruit, vegetable, farming implements, clothes, etc. There are markets for animals also to buy or to sell animals such as donkeys and horses. Jejuri in Pune district and Madhi in Ahmednagar district are known for their donkey markets.